I'm Nick with Drain My Lawn, and today I'm going to show you some nuance to installing a culvert pipe that you need to consider, especially if you're going to be taking water from a city culvert of some sort or stormwater system. So I'm going to flip the camera and we'll go through it. Here we're getting a lot of runoff from a neighboring property that was recently cleared, plus just in general just a lot of runoff over here from the city drain. And we need to install a fence. So we have a company, Fence My Lawn, and that's the first time on this channel you have heard about it. We have another company called Fence My Lawn. Go to fencemylawn.com if you want a fence in Charlotte, North Carolina. But in order to have a fence come across here, we needed to make this flat, because otherwise it's going to be just a big ditch and it's terrible. So we need to put a culvert in, and this is the perfect synchronization of both of our companies. The temptation is, in a ditch like this, just flop that pipe right in there and then cover it up, because that's what the water's doing. But there's something over here to consider. This pipe is sedimented. It's a 15-inch pipe. In order to make sure that when this is cleaned up, because when everything's said and done, this should be cleaned up, we needed to make sure that the entrance of our pipe was actually below the bottom of this pipe. If we just measured to the ground level, we would have a big problem, because if they ever clean this out, we would have a big nice swamp here. So we had to measure that out, and what we found is that the bottom of that pipe to where the entrance of that pipe is going to be is pretty much exactly even, which was no bueno, because there's a little bit of there's a lip here and everything like that. So we need to drop this 2 inches. There's really still not a lot of fall here. If this ever gets cleaned out, water's going to flow all the way over here. So keep that in mind. You have to make sure your water source, when it's working properly, is actually going to not hold water right in front of your pipe, because once you get this set, you're kind of stuck. If you need drainage in Charlotte, North Carolina, go to drainmylawn.com or call us at 704-489-3444.